Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a bio on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New in the profile section, you can find the edit profile option at the upper side of the screen. And here you can find the fourth option under the pronouns button, and just click to the bio, and new you can write a bio, and if you don't, just click to the OK button at the upper right corner of the screen and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.